Hi everyone, Darko here. In today's video I will show you another winning trade that we took and also a losing trade. So like I said, I never hide any losing trades. Once we have them, I will be more than happy to share those with you. And yes, we have losing trades. Like within the entire year, I would say I'm a like around 60% win ratio trader. Okay, so that means 4 times out of 10 it's either a reduced loss or a full loss. So most of the time are reduced loss, because trade management is very, that's the most important part of your trading. Okay, risk management and trade management. So I would say that's the holy grail of trading. We took a trade on Aussie yen, and obviously if you're new to this channel, all of the trades that I point out for my paying clients are in advance, never in hindsight. I identify that the trend is up on the monthly, okay, and the weekly is heading up in here. I was a bit concerned that we are actually at yearly, double necklines. Okay, so that means when I saw that, and we also in a potential double topping on a monthly chart, potential, we don't know that yet. So I was using hands-on trade management. That means I'm taking out the risk as soon as possible and have a free look. And I pointed out 2 levels. This was the first level and this was the second level. And I say wait for a pattern around one of these levels. And obviously price came down, hit this level, and created a 382 pin bar ACAD, advanced candle action trading, that I introduced for many years ago. Okay, so once we saw that, I grabbed the mic. I said, hey, we have an ACAD at a level that I pointed out in advance, and on a 4-hour time frame we also have a set and forget. Okay, and there are specific rules for how to exactly identify set and forgets, and all the patterns that I'm introducing and trading in the service is, I would say, it's 100% objective. Okay, there are specific rules for everyone, every single one of them. So this was an ACAT, and this also a set and forget, and I said this was the entry with the low stop loss, and price hits almost hits our entry. I did not gut feel, and I asked in the room, did anyone gut feel within this candle? Some people said yes, some people said no. I said, okay, the trade is still valid. Let's see if we make another leg down or anything, and see what's happened. Okay, and then price went up, and the next coming day, whatever that was, we got filled, and I type in the room, hey, I got filled on the Aussie yen. Okay, and then when this happens, okay, when this happens and price hits this level, I start risk reducing immediately. Okay, and once we went up into this daily level, within I usually don't wait for like the last micro pip to hit that level. So when we were like at this level, I took out 50% of the trade. Okay, and now 50% off, risk reduced before, and now even if this goes against me, this will be a winning trade. Okay, and let's see if we hit the second target. So that was the winning trade, and we had a losing trade on on Kiwi CAD. The reason for this trade was my yearly bias is up. Okay, and price were retracing back into this this level. Sorry, let me just here, it was a monthly level, this level in here. Okay, so the yearly is my yearly bias is up, price is retracing back on a monthly chart, which is very good, to a very strong monthly level. Look what this neckline, double necklines, created in the market, and this is a monthly chart, not a tick chart or a 5-minute chart or a 10-minute chart. It's a monthly chart. Okay, price hits this level, and we have a nice rotation on a daily chart, and I see a very significant swing weekly neckline. Okay, and on a daily chart it's a clean school example of a set and forget, clean school example. but also we are in the middle of the summer, and we are nonetheless, okay, and these are the red flags, doing this on a monthly, doing this on a weekly. So once I got filled within this candle in here, okay, and I saw this move. Well, we had to take like around 95 pips risk, okay, and this was up like barely 40 pips. There was nothing to, you know, if this went like slightly higher to any of these levels, sure, I don't necessarily need to wait for 1-to-1 right now because of the time of the year. But there was like risking almost 100 pips, like 95 pips, and being up barely 40 pips. Nah. So I just risk reduced. That's all I did. Some of the clients took something off, risk reduce, and exit at break even. Some people took a reduced loss. Some people took a full loss. Okay, I took a reduced loss. Okay, that's completely okay. And I was very clear in the room that don't expect the results that we have been for the past so far this year, to be honest with you. Okay, and especially the past 3 weeks has been insane. And I said to the clients that if you expect results like this every single month, you will be very disappointed. Okay, because you have to be, you know, very, you know, be very, you know, especially when you have like a crazy winning streak, and especially time of the year. It's the middle of the summer. Okay, the market are usually not always quiet. Okay, so therefore I'm the last person on earth that gives you any false expectations. Since day one, I've been known for my honesty. I'm showing you we have losing streaks, we have winning streaks, we have break-even streaks, and we have time when there's absolutely nothing going on in the market. The beauty of the service is that I show you the real face of trading. Okay, and the good thing is that when I have a losing streak, you never see me changing system, jumping system, or finding a new shiny object. I still do the same robotic approach like I've been doing for the past, I would say, literally years. Okay, 3-4 years. Okay, and the price action reading, the advanced market flow, has never changed since November 2017. Okay, so therefore, yes, we had some smashing results. We made all-time high with the amount of pips and winning streaks and everything. And when you have a losing streak, forget about it. And when you have a winning streak, forget about it even faster. Okay, because the market will beat you up if you let things get ahead of you. You know, and if you like start thinking that you are, you know, God's gift to the financial business and you can never lose and you are like unbreakable. When you have those feelings, stop trading. Okay, because the market will beat you up, and the market has been beating me up in the past when I was a struggling trader. When I had a winning streak, I feel like, you know what, let's go, that's it, I can't lose, you know, and then you do some horrible mistakes and you try to make those up by doubling your risk and everything, and you wake up and you just blow your account. Okay, so I'm very clear that yes, the results has been outstanding, but that's not normal. So if you take like from January to December, I would say 6 times out of 10 we have winning trades, slightly better than break even, and 4 times out of 10 we have reduced losses, full losses. So that's the truth of the market. Yes, we had very high win ratio for the past 3 weeks, but that's not common. Like if anyone tells you like, hey, I'm always right 9 times out of 10, they are BSing you. Okay, unless they prove it to you. Okay, so yeah, there are times when we are right 9 times out of 10, and there are times when we are right 5 times out of 10. Okay, but you have to have an average for the entire year. Like there are exceptions on both ways. Super important. These are like, you have to understand this. Okay, so yeah, hope you find this useful, and if you find any of my videos useful or this video useful, make sure that you support it by hitting the like button, and I will be doing more of those videos for you. Okay, until next time, stay safe and take care. Cheers.